Hey guys, today's video is going to be on how to edit a video using Photos with Windows 10. So what you're going to do is select the photos that you want to add into to create this video. Then you're going to hit create. It's going to take a little while for the videos to update. Then you're going to just put in the name of the video. You don't have to do this right now. You could do it at a later date, but that's fine. Then go over to the bottom where it has storyboard, and you're just going to put those in the order that you want them in. Then you're going to right click. For some reason it's not showing, and you're going to hit trim. Then you're going to go through your video and just start trimming it. So pretty much this top part, this little bar, kind of just shows you where you are in the video. And then those two big bars on the ends are going to be how you trim the video. The worst part about this is that it's per second. You can only edit the video per second. So if you're in mid-sentence for the second and you didn't finish that word, it's going to get cut off, or you're going to have to just kind of edit it in a weird way. Whereas the Movie Maker was just way easier to just split and cut and everything like that. This just works per second. It's difficult, but you know, it is what it is. So what you're going to do is then, watch it, see if you like where it is, where it's split and everything like that, where it's trimmed. And once you're happy with that particular clip, you're going to hit done on the bottom. Then what you're going to do is you're going to right click, and then you're going to go to copy video clip. Then you're going to right click again and do paste video clip. Then you're going to go to that newly pasted video clip, right click and go to trim, and you're going to do the same thing and just trim the video as you want it to be. You're going to continue these steps until the video is completely edited to your liking. As I said, it is difficult, but it is what it is. So just be mindful of this when you're actually recording your video, just to try not to say things, say full sentences, and make sure you have good punctuation so that you could edit the video easier later on instead of cutting off your sentences midway, because everything is per second rather than, how the other editor was. Then if you want to change the volume on it, you're just going to click on it and hit the volume button all the way down. Just remember that if you're shutting the volume off, it's for the entire clip, whereas in Movie Maker, it was a little bit easier to just control the volume per thing. This is just per clip. Then you could also add a filter to it. The lighting in my bathroom is dark, so I added the pearl filter because it's just the closest to what it actually looked like, but you guys can just add whatever filter you want, and just remember that it's per clip that you have to do it for. If you knew you wanted to add the filter from the beginning, you could have just done it on the original video, and then each time that you copy and pasted that clip, the filter would have been on it. Then if you want to add audio, they have a bunch of audio that kind of is long enough for your entire video, and also they have the option to sync it to the beat of your music, which I opted for in this video, and it actually wound up coming out really, really cute. Then you can go to text, and you could add any kind of text that you want. I like that this has a little bit more like pizzazz to it than the other text did. So there's like so many options of where you can put it, how it sits on the actual frame. And then there's also like crazy amounts of options for different fonts, and which each font has like a different theme to it, which is pretty cool. My favorite happens to be Boom. I think it looks really awesome the way they do that. If at any point you decide you wanted to add another video clip or a photo, you can do that just by clicking the add photo and videos up on top, and then just drag it down to the storyboard wherever you want it to sit in the video. You could also add motion to every clip that you have, or any clip that you have. This is the same thing as the animation that was on the Movie Maker. So you could like have it pan in, have it pan out, from the right, from the left, everything like that. They also have 3D effects, which I don't believe they had on the Movie Maker. And you can add like butterflies or bubbles or confetti, just like fun things to your video, just to kind of make it stand out a little bit more. Then you can go back to where audio is, and you can add narration. You have to use the voice recorder, or you could record from like your cell phone, and then you're just going to import the audio. And then when you save it, I like to do the longest upload possible because I like to put my videos on YouTube, but that's completely optional.